Hi, it's Mark Bossert from Top Local. We're here with Bernie Pawlik of Pawlik Automotive in Vancouver, and we have an announcement as they've been voted again as the best auto repair in Vancouver. How are you doing today, Bernie?
Well, with that kind of news, I'm super happy. It's awesome being acknowledged for that.
So it's 21 time now, 21 times voted as best auto repair in Vancouver, and this is the 10th time winning the best auto repair in Vancouver from the Georgia Straight newspaper. Who votes for these?
They're all readers. It's a Reader's Choice Award program. So, and obviously these would be customers of ours who vote. Since we're not like a hugely branded company like, well, I won't say any names, but there'll be customers of ours who vote, who are readers of that paper.
What do you think the value of this is?
Well, I mean, for us, I remember the first time we won back in 2008. I was thinking, oh, it's kind of nice, but I'm just kind of a humble, quiet guy. So I'm thinking, yeah, well, whatever. But then I started getting some customers coming in. I saw you, in Georgia Straight, and I realized, hey, this is actually a pretty good acknowledgement. And so the value for us is that especially after 10 times, is that we're recognized as being a really awesome, good auto repair shop, like best in Vancouver, according to our customers. So that's a really awesome thing. And, for people, it holds us accountable too. I mean, I would like next year to be the best auto repair shop. So we got to keep up the good work and keep people happy.
So why do you think people vote for you?
I mean, I think the work that we do is good, but I think a lot of it is how we communicate with our customers and who we are as people. Are we the best auto repair shop in Vancouver in terms of work? I can't say for sure. I mean, I know a lot of really, really good shops in Vancouver. And there's lots of great shops all over the world. But I think, to me, it's just the relationship we have with our customers, I think allows this to happen.
And so 21 times, that's a lot of years. What does it take to be able to do that for that many times, that long? Be able to run your business and keep your staff dedicated to looking after your customers?
Yeah. I mean, we just, to me, I'm always very careful, and I can't say that we've satisfied everyone 100%. I mean, we're all, we're human beings. They're human beings. Sometimes personalities don't work. Sometimes a job might not go as expected, but I think we try really hard to make sure that people are happy. And I go out of my way most of the time, to make sure that people are happy with what we do. And if something happens where I really feel like, no, this is not our issue, I'll say so. That's the kind of what I can say about that. But, we do care that people are happy with the work that we do.
And do you feel like honesty is a big part of this?
Absolutely. Honesty, transparency, and giving people options too. We have a lot of people who come to us, who come in, they may have not had their car serviced in a long time. And, because they haven't found someone they trust, or they're too busy, or for whatever reason. And there may be a huge list of things that the car could use to get, back into really premium shape, but we'll prioritize things. And maybe, you need to do, these 2 or 3 items like right now. These are important. 6 months from now, you can do these. Down the road, you can do this. Depends on, your budget, what you want to do. Some people say, hey, I want you to fix everything. Other people are going, I'm going to get rid of the car. And we just leave that option open to people. So I think that's a really big contributor to how people like to deal with us.
Do you guys ever just do the work and not let the customer know and then surprise them?
No, we don't. We have a mission statement. At least if we do that and a customer says, hey, I don't want to pay for that, they're perfectly, they can walk out without us, without paying, because, well, of course there'll probably be a conversation, but we have a mission statement that says you'll never pay more than the last estimate. So, if we tell you, hey, Mark, you're gonna be paying $200, including taxes for this inspection we're gonna do in your car. That's the most you can expect the bill to be, unless we phone you up and say, hey, by the way, you need this, this, and this, and it's gonna cost this amount of money. And you say, okay, I want you to do that for that amount of money. Then we make sure we have agreement. So when you come in, if you're expecting $1,000 bill, it's gonna be $1,000 or less. It's not gonna be over that.
And that leads to 21 time winners of Best Auto Repair in Vancouver.
Absolutely.
So there you go. If you're looking for the reliable place, and place that really values honesty and clear communication to get your vehicle fixed, and of course, a repair shop that is very up on what's going on with cars. They have the best equipment. They invest a lot of time and money including going to trainings on electrics and hybrids and all that sort of stuff coming up. The guys to see are Pawlik Automotive. You can reach them at 604-327-7112 to book your appointment. You have to call and book ahead. They're always busy. Or check out the website, pawlikautomotive.com. Hundreds, literally hundreds of blog posts and videos on there. Hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel, Pawlik Auto Repair. And of course, thank you so much for listening to the podcast. We really appreciate it. Thanks, Bernie.
Thanks, Mark, and thanks for watching. And thank you for voting for us. It really means a lot.